Hello friends, welcome to PriyankkaDadwal's YouTube channel. Today in this video, we are gonna do the unboxing of the PR package that I have received from the brand 𝐿skintypes. So this is the PR package. Let's do the unboxing together. So the two products that I have received from this brand are the body wash and the body lotion. This one is the summer body lotion with watermelon and blueberry extracts. And this one is the body wash with lavender and pink Himalayan rock salt. In the next upcoming video, I'll be sharing with you all the review and demo application of both these products. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to press the like button and subscribe button. This is me, Priyankka Dadwal, saying ciao for now.